Welcome to the High Road Brewery, where this week I'll be brewing the HOKUM Stomp and also looking at a Corny disco to Triclamp 1.5 inch for pressure transfers and pressurising my Chronical SS Brewtech Fermenter. That was a fair mouthful. Right, roll the brew footage and my wee bit on the Triclamp, and I'll see you for the tasting. Cheers. How we doing? I thought what I'll do is, there's a new bit of kit that's arrived, and it is the Triclamp to Corny disco that I got through from China. Took about 2 months to get here, but it's finally here. And what a difference it makes now for transfer, slightly pressurising the fermenter, the conical. So I'm going to show you and see what you think. What it is I've now got a Corny disco basically on this, on the fermenter, and then I've got a Spunden blow off. You can see, so there's still a bit of pressure on it, so there was about 2.5 psi on that. It's still got pressure at the moment. I've managed to top it up now and again, so it's not got any negative pressure on it, which is really cool, so it's not causing suckback. And yeah, I've basically been able to mostly hold about 2.5 in this. I've not touched it for the last 2 days or so, so it has dropped, to be expected, because of the pressure with temperature. As the temperature drops, the pressure drops. So plan now is to keg this absolute beast of a HOKUM Stomp porter, and yeah, hopefully we can be enjoying this beer soon. I've hooked up the regulator and set it to a kind of low PSI. Yeah. And then that's just putting CO2 in the top and then pushing the beer out. And effectively I've just got this hooked up to the bouncer. You can hear the gas just going in. It goes through the filter and then to the output of my keg. Simples. I definitely love how you can just crank this thing up, just whack the PSI. See, before when it was the carbonation cap that I used, you didn't get as much, definitely didn't get as much pressure you could work on it. There's this all the way up at 2.5 psi and it's just flying in. This is about halfway. It's great. How we doing? So the brew day was the live brew day that we did as part of BrewTube over on Facebook, and we all got together and we brewed the HOKUM Stomp, which is an absolute beast of a porter. It's probably one of my favourite porters I've ever done and tasted, full stop. I've been really enjoying this beer, and it's something I would highly recommend to all you guys out there to try. Let's get and dive in and have a wee smell of this. So on the nose it's chocolate, It's almost like a kind of milky chocolate, but complex roasty notes there as well, and it's kind of very coffee as well, kind of coffee roasty. Yeah, pretty awesome. And then it's very thick and sweet, but like a kind of toffee, chocolate, coffee sweetness that just kind of coats the mouth, as I say. It's definitely one of what I've been doing is really enjoying this in an evening, where kind of late at night, just having a couple of these just to finish the night off. It's just such a nice, thick type beer. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of how you would drink your whiskies at night, you know, very complex, and you can kind of go through the kind of malt notes through it. It's fantastic. So yeah. Oh, absolute belter of a beer. So yeah, definitely brew this. So coming up, I've got an India Pale Lager that's currently, it's just been kegged. So that was a take on the Williams Brother Caesar Augustus beer, and I've kind of done that a Citra Amarillo rather than Cascade, just to amp it up, change it up a wee bit, but the same sort of idea, where it's a hoppy lager, IPL. So yeah, that's now in the keg. And then also coming up this weekend, there's another BrewTube live brew day on Saturday. So if anyone's fancying that, definitely sign up onto these live brew days, because they're a good laugh, to be honest. And Chris and Tricky normally keep you laughing. Well, Chris anyway, that's for sure. Other news, some more kits worked its way in to the High Road Brewery. I've got a beer engine that's just arrived today as well, so I think the Beast of the Midlands mild will be going onto cask, or Corny cask, should I say. Yeah, so that'll be, I'll do videos on that as well. And with the new hand pull as well, it's like, so I'm now getting ideas about how to change the brewery into a brew / pub, a brew pub. So I'm talking with my mate Deya, and we're looking at seating and how we get the hand pull and all that sort of stuff. So I think that's going to be a long-term project, to be honest, because there'll be a lot of work in that, but ideas are floating about just now, so that's good fun. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and consider becoming a subscriber for some more awesome brewing content, if you call it that. But yeah, hopefully you guys have been doing lots of brewing yourselves with the kind of lockdown time, and homing your craft like I've been doing as well, and enjoying drinking lots of beer as well. So yeah, I'll catch you later at the next one, and yeah, see you later. Bye.